My name's Louise Warren and I'm one of the lead independent endpoint assessors for the Sales Executive Level 4 standard. So today I'll talk to you about the work-based project. So your work-based project is the first element of the endpoint assessment. It needs to be completed before you can progress to the other two elements. So following Gateway, you'll begin your project and you have 10 weeks to complete it. There are a list of topics in ACE360 in the knowledge base for you to choose from. So your employer and your endpoint assessor must agree on your project title. And we will then provide a template as a framework for you to use. So your work-based project report should be around about 5,000 words. That excludes annexes and references. And you must submit a mapping document to show all areas have been met. So once you've completed your report and your mapping document, please upload it to the shared documents area in ACE360 and email us at info@a2atraining.co.uk to remind us that it's there to be marked. We'll then mark it within 7 working days and give you detailed feedback. We'll then confirm the date for your EPA for the presentation and professional discussion once the project has been passed. Don't forget to use the mapping document that we provide in the knowledge base on ACE360 so you don't miss any areas. We have a list of topics available on the knowledge base within ACE360 and some of them are detailed here. Please use the latest version on ACE360 as our project topics will change. So the mapping document on ACE360 knowledge base covers the 10 KSB areas that you'll need to cover in the project report. It clearly breaks down the areas for pass and distinction. And there's an example of it on a photo here that covers one of the KSB areas, which is customer knowledge. Clearly reference where you've met each of the criteria. This document should help you make sure that nothing is missed, and it'll also help your assessor to mark it. You'll need to declare that all your work is your own, and where other people have worked on your project, you need to declare their role and make sure your role is clear. You can't move on to the next stage of your endpoint assessment until the project has been passed. You can see in the image here the grading criteria for this standard. As you can see, a fail in one area of the assessment means a fail overall. So you can't resit or retake an assessment to enhance your grade from a pass to a distinction, for example. The maximum grade when you resit or retake will normally be capped at a pass, and you'll be given 4 weeks to resubmit. In the event you don't pass your project, we'll give you clear and detailed feedback to support you on resit. We've also uploaded a structure document on ACE360 to help you accurately structure the project report. This structure will include things such as the introduction, objectives, organisational knowledge, understanding customer requirements, markets and challenge, proposing and presenting solutions and options, understanding sales approaches, reflection, conclusion and appendices. So to summarise, some key tips for success. Check that your project is around about 5,000 words. Read and reread the assessment plan. And remember, we mark against the assessment plan, so there's no tricks, no hidden criteria. If it's on there, we'll mark against it. Write your project report and then leave it a few days. Mark it yourself and make sure that all the KSB areas are covered for the standard. Ask your apprenticeship tutor for structured feedback and make any changes if you can. And double and triple check all areas are met. Good luck with your work-based project, and here's our email address if you need us.